Hey everybody, welcome back to Frank's Homestead. Just kind of give you an update. Haven't really been on making too many videos, but we've been so busy. It's been pretty crazy. Right now we're in the process of tearing up a bridge to replace it, and here's what we got. So the bridge was this. It covered this creek right here. This is Alder Creek, and over there we got the D7, sorry, D8, and we got our 312 excavator here that we tore it out with. Plus we've got our D5 cat over here. Actually it's a TD15. It's about the same size as a 5. Dump truck, of course, with rock, and we're currently bringing in gravel for when we get our culvert, then we can bed it. But here's what we had. This is actually a flatbed rail car from a train, and of course it had all kinds of wood on it, but you can see the end here. And what they did back in the day 40 years ago, well, maybe even longer, who knows, but they needed to span that creek, so someone found it, drug it up here, took the wheels off, everything, threw it across that creek, and then over the years it started to sag. So then what they did is they came in and they poured some support pillars. You can see here we had to tear out underneath it, and then on top of that this great big concrete patio, and a concrete pad, and it's about 8 inches thick, filled with rebar. But just before the 4th of July, state inspector came out here, took a look at it and said, nope, shut it down, close it, and not allowing anybody to use it at all. So we had to park the D8 over there to block that side, and of course this side was also blocked because they couldn't get across the bridge. And there it is right now, just still blocking. And then we use this excavator now that it's here to block this side. So that's what I've been up to, and we've already hauled away all of our wood, but hopefully you found that kind of interesting. Not every day you see a train flatbed car that was used as a bridge. I mean, I know it happens, but not every day you see it. So I thought it was kind of interesting. I thought I'd share it with everybody out there. And but thanks for watching, and I hope everybody's having a good day. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you later.